The world of filmmaking is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is stepping onto the scene. No longer confined to science fiction, AI is now a reality in the film industry. It's changing how stories are told. It's changing how movies are made. AI is not about replacing human creativity, it's about enhancing it. It's a new tool in the filmmaker's kit. It offers exciting possibilities. It pushes the boundaries of storytelling. This technology is still in its early stages, but its potential is undeniable. AI is poised to revolutionize filmmaking. It will change how we experience stories on screen. The future of cinema is here, and it's powered by AI. Imagine typing a few keywords into a computer. Suddenly, a complete movie plot unfolds before your eyes. This is the promise of AI-powered screenwriting tools. These algorithms can generate story ideas, develop characters, and even write dialogue. These tools use machine learning to analyze vast data sets of existing scripts. They identify patterns and structures that make stories compelling. They can then use this knowledge to generate new and original content. Some filmmakers are using AI to overcome writer's block, others are using it to explore new creative avenues. The possibilities are endless. AI screenwriting tools are not about replacing human writers, they are about augmenting their abilities. They provide a springboard for creativity, they open up new storytelling possibilities. AI's impact on filmmaking goes beyond generating ideas. It's revolutionizing the entire creative process from pre-production to post-production. It's also changing how filmmakers analyze and understand successful storytelling techniques. By leveraging AI, filmmakers can delve deeper into the nuances of narrative structures. AI algorithms can now analyze thousands of scripts and movies. They can break down complex narratives into understandable data points, offering a new perspective on storytelling. They identify the elements that resonate with audiences. This includes understanding what makes a scene memorable, or what keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. These algorithms can track plot points, character arcs, and emotional beats. They provide a detailed map of the emotional journey that a story takes its audience on. They can pinpoint the moments that make audiences laugh, cry, or gasp in surprise. This level of insight is invaluable for crafting compelling narratives. This data-driven approach to storytelling provides filmmakers with invaluable insights. It allows them to see patterns and trends that were previously hidden. By understanding what has worked in the past, filmmakers can make more informed decisions about their own projects. They can draw inspiration from successful elements and avoid common pitfalls. They can craft stories that are more likely to connect with audiences on an emotional level. This emotional connection is what makes a film truly memorable. This data-driven approach doesn't stifle creativity, it enhances it. Filmmakers can use these insights to push the boundaries of their creativity. AI is providing filmmakers with a deeper understanding of the art of storytelling. It's a tool that complements their creative instincts. This leads to more engaging and impactful cinematic experiences. The fusion of technology and creativity is paving the way for a new era in filmmaking. OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence research company, has developed a powerful new language model. This model, known as GPT-3, is capable of generating human-quality text in response to a wide range of prompts. GPT-3 is already being used in various creative industries including filmmaking. Filmmakers are leveraging this technology to generate scripts, develop characters, and even write dialogue. GPT-3's ability to understand and respond to natural language makes it an invaluable tool for storytellers. It can translate a director's vision into a compelling narrative. This is just the beginning for OpenAI's foray into filmmaking. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the future. Section 5. The future is now. Filmmakers embrace the AI revolution. The use of AI in filmmaking is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a reality that is being embraced by filmmakers across the globe today. From pre-production to post-production, AI is making its mark in every phase of the filmmaking process. It's a reality embraced by filmmakers today. They are leveraging AI to streamline workflows, enhance creativity, and push the boundaries of what's possible in cinema. A recent survey found that 68% of filmmakers believe AI will revolutionize the film industry. This statistic underscores the growing confidence in AI's potential to transform how films are made. This is not just hype. The integration of AI into filmmaking is already yielding impressive results. Filmmakers are already seeing tangible benefits from using AI tools. These tools are not only saving time but also enhancing the quality of the final product. These tools are helping them to generate fresh ideas. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights and suggestions that might not have been considered otherwise. AI can help filmmakers break free from creative ruts and discover new storytelling possibilities. By offering new perspectives and innovative solutions, AI is becoming an invaluable collaborator in the creative process. It can also streamline production, automating time-consuming tasks and freeing up filmmakers to focus on the creative aspects of their projects. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes thanks to AI. Moreover, AI can enhance storytelling, helping filmmakers craft more compelling and emotionally resonant narratives. By analyzing audience reactions and preferences, AI can suggest tweaks to the storyline that make it more engaging. As AI technology continues to advance, its impact on the film industry will only become more profound. The future of filmmaking is here, and it is being shaped by the incredible capabilities of artificial intelligence. Section 6. Lights, Camera, Algorithms, AI-powered films captivate audiences. Films created with AI assistance are already making waves in the film industry, revolutionizing the way stories are told and experienced. These films are not just technological experiments, they are captivating audiences and garnering critical acclaim from both viewers and critics alike. For example, the short film Sunspring was created using an AI program that wrote the script and even composed the music. This groundbreaking approach showcased the potential of AI in creative processes. The film's bizarre and surreal narrative captivated audiences at film festivals worldwide, leaving a lasting impression on viewers. Another example is the science fiction thriller Morgan, which pushed the boundaries of traditional filmmaking. The film's trailer was created using an AI system that analyzed hundreds of horror movie trailers to identify the most effective elements. This innovative method ensured the trailer was both gripping and memorable. The result was a trailer that was both suspenseful and emotionally engaging, drawing viewers in and heightening their anticipation for the film. These examples demonstrate that AI-powered films can be both entertaining and thought-provoking, offering new dimensions to storytelling. They are pushing the boundaries of storytelling and captivating audiences around the world, proving that the future of cinema is intertwined with the advancements in artificial intelligence. Section 7. The democratization of storytelling, empowering new voices. One of the most exciting aspects of AI in filmmaking is its potential to democratize storytelling. AI tools can empower aspiring filmmakers who may not have access to traditional resources. With AI, anyone with a story to tell can bring their vision to life. They no longer need a Hollywood studio backing them. This opens up the world of filmmaking to a wider range of voices and perspectives. This democratization of storytelling could lead to a renaissance of creativity. We could see a surge in diverse and innovative films from all corners of the globe. AI has the potential to break down barriers and give everyone a chance to share their stories with the world. Section 8. Redefining creativity, the human-machine collaboration. The rise of AI in filmmaking raises important questions about the nature of creativity. Can machines truly be creative, or are they simply tools that humans use to express their own creativity? The answer, like most things in life, is nuanced. AI can undoubtedly generate novel and interesting ideas, but it lacks the human experience, emotions, and understanding of the world that truly fuel creativity. The future of filmmaking lies in collaboration. It lies in humans and AI working together. Humans can provide the vision, the emotions, and the stories. AI can provide the tools to bring those stories to life in new and innovative ways. This collaboration has the potential to redefine creativity itself. It can push the boundaries of what's possible in filmmaking. Section 9. A new dawn for cinema embracing the AI narrative. The future of filmmaking is here. It's a future where artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in shaping the stories we see on screen. This is not a threat to human creativity. It's an opportunity to enhance it. AI offers filmmakers a powerful new set of tools. These tools can help them to generate ideas, analyze stories, and create films that are more engaging, thought-provoking, and emotionally resonant. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of cinema, one thing is certain. The future of storytelling is bright. It's a future where the line between human and machine creativity becomes increasingly blurred. It's a future where the only limit is our imagination.